Hello friends, welcome to channel Reza Blade. I am your friendly neighborhood Reza, and I have a treat for you today, and for me actually, because this package is for me. But I'm going to do an unboxing video. If you're new here, buckle up because we're going to move right in. I have a heckin' excite, and I can't wait anymore. Here's the deal. You can probably see I'm in the middle of some prep for Mini by Me, the swimming pool edition. I just pictured it as something on an episode of Cribs, except it's manicures and not famous stars swimming pools. But anyway, so I'm about to film a tutorial in a couple of hours. I've been getting ready for it. So everybody, hey, that's coming soon. I'm going to teach you how to do gradients within a reverse stamp super easily and make them super pretty. Just like this. You see? He's nice. I like it. It makes me happy. Now I'm going to open my present. So a couple of weeks ago from UPRETTEGO, I ordered directly from them instead of using AliExpress. I didn't want to because there's an added level of security theater in there when I buy it through AliExpress. But anyway, I placed a $30 order with UPRETTEGO. They're active on Facebook, so it's actually kind of really easy to see in a few of the stamping groups what they're releasing. And they're releasing some trademark stuff that I thought I can't really get anywhere else. And I do love their plates. I have like, I don't know, 40 of their plates. Love them. So here we're going to open a package. Of course, I've made this very long-winded. My hands are in a bit of a state right now. I'm just taking a lot of sample photos, which means I have to do my routine when it comes to pictures that I take of the press-ons and swatches that I make. And that involves some gross stuff that I put to protect my fingernails, and anyway, it just ends up looking I really didn't want to have to use anything. Anyway, here, this is such a big honking package. Woohoo! Okay. Sorry, I'm not actually inclined to yell like that. Okay. Oh my goodness, this is so exciting. I'm gonna have to show you my ugly press-on nail goop that I put on, but it's okay. Here we go. This is extra. I don't ever order these kind of slides. I've also got paint all over my nails underneath them and within them. All right, I'm not gonna fight with this. Look at how this is thick. It's like a book of infinite stories, because, you know, your imagination is your only limitation. Actually, there's inspiration all over the place. So even if you're not creative in the empty space of your mind, well, not empty, you know what I mean, you can still take inspiration from, wow, why did they give me all these? I will never use these. Oh, I can put them in a giveaway. Actually, I have a box that I keep for my giveaways, and I'm doing one soon again because there's a plate that I have to do another drawing for. So don't forget to subscribe. Do like this video if you like the idea of me unboxing things for you. Leave a comment below because, as you know, I live for your comments. I either have this plate or I have something very similar to this plate. Oh, no, this actually isn't identical to what I got. If you like Versace and you like that look, Maniology did just release a really cool plate that's kind of Versace inspired, with the chains and the lion and the flourishes. And I know some people like peel pour and some people don't. I literally cannot help myself. If I open something, I'm going to peel it off. I don't like to see it. I like to see it nice and shiny with the stainless steel. But I know that some people enjoy the peels. The peels. I guess that's what I'm going to call it from now on. I don't really have to unpeel all of them, though. I guess I'm going to go ahead and leave things be so I can show you. I love that she is in... Oh, no, that's not a... I thought it looked like a pith helmet. If you don't know what a pith helmet is, Google it. P-I-T-H. Oh my goodness, that is not a pith helmet. That is just her hair and then some sort of sea star. Here's another brandy thing. I don't know why I bought these because I don't really... I guess I wanted to have the option if I'm inspired. This one The name on this is SunNail. Nice Mo2. There's Bart, some minions, some Pokemon. This isn't Shaun the Sheep, but it is a sheep. Wait, is it Shaun? No, it's not Shaun. All right. This is so cool. Anyway, I'm going to keep hurrying. SunNail, nice Mo1. I just forgot Simba. I just blanked on the whole Lion King thing. All right. Totoro. This is just really neat. I like these. They make me happy. Ooh, that's from Angry Birds. That's very cool. All right, even more. This one is pop art. I'm gonna rush through these. They're just so neat. If you see anything you like, you know, just rewind a few seconds so you'll hear the name of the plate. This is Pop Art Mo2. What is this? Oh, that's a people. That's a lady with some cherries. Oh my goodness. Oh, I don't know why I didn't see that right away. And some of the plate being very cheeky. All right. God, I have paint in my nail. I don't know. I hate looking at my hands. Now that I'm not going to really try anything with the peely, I can put this back on. This is for me, not for you. I just have a thing. Oh my goodness. So many fun images here. This is kind of like a combination of all the other little nice plates. They're called nice, but they're also nice plates. They are called nice plates. They are also plates that are nice. The same kind of idea here with the repeat of the pop art, and this is just the larger plate. Usually when I get multiples like this, it means that there was something on one of the plates that I wanted that wasn't, that wasn't replicated. All right. This is pretty cool, I must admit. All these fun flowers. Ooh, and a kitty, and a kitty, and a kitty, and more kitties. Bunny print. Oh, layered even. That's very cool. I like the birds. Like I use little pieces like this when I'm making images. All sorts of fun things. You could just, maybe there's a scene that I just think that I like landscape mayonnaise. Maybe there's a scene that I think needs a bird or two. I didn't yell, but I'm losing my voice. I hope I can still film my tutorial. I got to make this quick. Geometry. Yes, these are geometric thingies. All right, Trendy Set Three. I am so excited. This has the new style Care Bear. I like the classic ones, but I'm almost 44. My birthday is June 25th. I don't know why I told you that. I am a Cancer. I was going to tell you something else written by Stephen King, directed by Quentin Tarantino. I want nails that are directed by Quentin Tarantino. Sarcasm. Oh my goodness, these are great. 3-month break between a woman and her razor. I have to do my nails now. This is so cool. Novostya. Anyway, I'm probably saying that wrong. It's been a while since I've spoken. Я не говорю по-русски. I do not speak Russian. All right. This is fun. This is Trendy Set 1. There's all sorts of little, famous little things. People. what creatures? Animated. They're called cartoons, Reza. They're called cartoons. Sorry, sometimes I lose words. Metanoia, the journey of changing one's mind, heart, self, or way of life. Nope. No, that's Poshen. Oh, well. It's not happening. I keep trying to make it problem. I just read that. I keep trying to make it work. Happy in a million little ways. That's so sweet. And oh, my goodness. That's fun. All right, I'm not going to read them all, but I really did like the little action buttons here. Little balloon. Okay, my goodness. These plates. Okay, I'm very nearly done, I think. I think this is maybe the last one. Study. Oh, That's fun. Okay, we have Louis Vuitton. Panic. C'est la FNV. Aggressively procrastinates. Oh, that's fun. These are all great. Maybe there are some TikTok jokes I don't get. I'm not on TikTok. That's pretty cool. I'm the bad guy, duh. That's cool. Stark Industrial Chanel. This is kind of a, kitchen sink kind of plate. That's what I think of these sometimes. I'll see one on AliExpress. Oh my goodness, a meme. This is great. This is fine. Anyway, I will see them sometimes on AliExpress. And I literally have no idea where I was going with that. Okay, well. Oh, kitchen sink plates, yeah. Because people have, a company has an idea of all sorts of images that somebody will like, and why not just put them all on the same plate? So that is my huge order from UPRETTEGO. Don't forget to be subscribed and get all your notifications. Check in on those sometimes because my YouTube keeps setting mine to not occasionally notify on the channels I really want to follow, and it upsets me. I will see you tonight, maybe as soon as if I get that video filmed. Keep an eye out. I'm really excited about this tutorial, and then within the next couple of days after that, I'll be able to film my whole MXM video, tell you what I think about swimming pools. I will see you later. You are enough. May is National Mental Health Awareness Month, or just Mental Health Awareness Month. I just wanted to say that. You're loved. You're enough. I love you. And thank you for watching.